Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our 147 folding knife case. It's designed to hold up to 147 folding knives of various sizes and lengths and is perfect for transporting your knives or storing them safely at home. The case has several removable layers, 3 removable top trays as well as a thick bottom layer and 2 removable modules. You'll need to remove the foam plugs from each layer to begin customizing for your knife collection. The top section consists of 3 trays that will hold knives in a horizontal position. 2 of the trays are designed with 22 slots each. You'll also notice that this section contains a removable module. Removing this module reduces the capacity of the bottom section from 99 to 75. These slots have perforated sections that can be removed or left in place so that each knife slot is tailor-made for that specific knife. The third tray is designed to hold up to 4 fixed blade knives in sheaths up to 14.5 inches long. The bottom section of the case is designed to hold up to 99 knives in the vertical position. The plugs in this section are dual purpose, so be sure to keep them for use with your smaller knives. You'll notice when removing the plugs that each slot has 4 pieces, 2 L-shaped spacers and 2 rectangular pieces. Using different combinations of these pieces will ensure that each knife is held securely. For example, for long, thinner knives such as butterfly knives, leave both L-shaped spacers in place to tighten the slot and hold the knife snugly. For shorter knives, leave one of the rectangular plugs in place so that they sit at the same level as your other knives. Each plug can also be trimmed down to a specific length to make sure every knife is level with the others. Each slot will fit a knife with max dimensions of 5 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and 0.9 inches thick with all the plugs removed. You'll also notice that this section contains a removable module. Removing this module reduces the capacity of the bottom section from 99 to 75 and leaves you with a large accessory pocket to store anything from cleaning and sharpening supplies to extra fixed blade knives. If you don't have any accessories to store, simply leave the modules in place. Remember to keep the plugs that you don't immediately use, as this will allow you to customize the case in the future as your collection grows and changes. Once customized, it'll look like each slot was cut specifically for a particular knife. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a flat pad of the same material that helps to secure everything in place when the case is closed. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.